Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be something different and I'm going to show you my favorite contact lenses. I did get those from the company called Just4Kira. So I'm going to show you the colors I got and I'm going to do a full wear test on these. So I put them on today. It's 2:10 in the afternoon. So the crystal brown I'm wearing at the moment, I do have brown eyes, but I'll show you the difference that it makes. It shows you the color here with the color shade as well. It comes with the contact lenses case. It's really pretty, crystal clear. So you get pickups with these lenses. So you can actually take them with your pickups instead of your hands. And then you get this little thingy here as well. So instead of using your finger, you can actually take your lenses and then put it in your eye. I do use my fingers. I do make sure that I wash my hands first. So I'm gonna show you the demo and the wear test as well. I'm wearing crystal brown at the moment. Very, very comfortable. I like the way they look on my eyes. They don't look fake. The pupil size, it just covers my whole pupil, which is really one of my favorite because some other ones that I got in the past, they don't cover the whole pupil. It shows the actual color of my eyes. So if I wear, like, let's say gray color, it shows that I have brown eyes underneath. So I'm gonna move the contact lenses to actually see what color my eyes are. They're really, really pretty. They're so easy to wear. So as you can see, my eyes are brown and it goes back to where it was. So I got crystal brown. You can actually get your prescription in as well if you want prescription contact lenses. These are available as well. I'm really excited to try these on and compare them to the crystal brown. And these are called gem brown. I got Citha Grey. And the last pair is a gray. Pull my lower lid and I take this down. And I grab it like this. So it's so easy. Like that. Or gem brown. I'm gonna try them on. So your lenses should be looking something like this. Should be this shape when you put it in your eyes. I usually put my lenses before I do makeup, but just for the sake of this video, I'm doing this after. So just pull this area here. So these are gem brown. They look like more hazily on the green side. I really love the color. They look really, really natural. It goes with my skin tone, with my hair color. I really love those ones actually. These are so far my favorite. So we're gonna try the color gray now. There we go. They're so easy to apply, you guys. The last color I'm gonna try is Citha Grey. So Citha Grey is definitely very, very gray, very light. They're really, really pretty. I really love the color as well. Like, I know my eyes are not that blue, but you can have blue eyes for a day. Easy to apply. They pop in and out really easily. Like, I don't struggle. Some contact lenses actually just stick to your eyes, but these, as soon as you pop them out, they just, boom, they come out. I love that they come with cases, so you can pop them in right away. You don't have to go and buy a case for them, but they look so, so pretty. I'm going to be changing these colors because really I'm not going anywhere. I'm in the house. So probably I will go back to the gem brown. I'm going to show you how my eyes look at the end of the day. If they feel tired, red, you know, irritated, but I will come and show you on camera so you can actually see for yourself. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about these lenses, you guys. Like, first of all, like, they're very comfortable in the eyes. Like, I've been wearing them for the whole day and I did not feel any irritation. My eyes were not dry or red. That's number one for me. I feel like these are bigger in size than the other lenses that I got before, which is really a good thing. If you have prescription, you can add them to these lenses. They have a variety of shades. I will insert the picture right here to show you what colors they have. So I will leave all the information about these lenses down below. I have a discount code with them, thanks to them. This is my discount code right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.